Hello everybody, it's me Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a fantastic day so far today, because today is one of my most favorite days of the month, and that is the day where I get to share with you guys what came in Knitcrate. This is August 2018 Knitcrate, and they've changed things up and I am super excited about it. I think you guys are going to enjoy it as well. But before we get into all that, you guys know what I'm going to say. I'm going to say thank you to each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel. And I'm also going to say, if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so now. Don't forget to click that bell icon when you do. That way you'll be notified when I upload. And there are links in the description below. There are a lot of links in the description below. You can follow me on Facebook. You can join my private Facebook group. You can check out the merch store, which here's one of the shirts today. I'm wearing it. It says, "You see a sheep," and then there's a cute sheep. And then it says, "But I see two hats and a scarf." So you can check out this shirt for yourself. That link's in the description below. And there's also going to be a link to Knitcrate. You're going to want to use the link this month. I'm going to tell you why. This month, Knitcrate changed things up, and I am super excited about that. First, we're going to take a look inside this box, and then I'm going to tell you all the things they've changed. One will be very obvious, but first, let's open. Da-da-da. And the thing falls out. This is what you are greeted with. Now, normally, in the past Knitcrates, you would get a card, and the card would tell about the month theme, and then it would tell a little bit about, you know, on the back it would tell about the designer, and there would be links to like go download your pattern. But this is different, my friends. This, it tells you the theme, and the theme this month is Indigo Glow. It tells you about the theme, and then it tells you about the yarn. When you open up this little nice booklet, you are presented with two patterns. There's a knit pattern and a crochet pattern, and then it tells you about the designer. Very nice. And then, if you continue opening your booklet, I'm not going to show this part on screen because it is a pattern, you guys. The pattern is actually written out for you, and you get both the knit and the crochet pattern. Now that is with the Knitcrate membership. That is what I receive. You get 2 skeins of yarn, a knit pattern, and a crochet pattern. But no longer do you have to download. I don't know if that's just something they're doing this month or it's something they're going to do every month, but I'm super excited because now you don't have to download the pattern. It's all right here. I will tell you that the knit pattern for this month is an intermediate skill level, and it does come with charts. So if you're not really familiar with charting, that's okay. You don't have to use this yarn for what it tells you to use this yarn for. You can use this for anything you want. But I thought it was really cool that the patterns are now in the booklet and you don't have to download anymore. So you literally can just take this with you. Your pattern is always with you. And same for the crochet pattern. It's back here. Same thing. Don't have to download it. It's all right here in this nice little booklet. Now for the yarn. The best part of the whole crate is the yarn, and this is the color I got this month. There's 4, I think there's 4 different colors you could get, maybe 4. I'm not sure. You'll check it out when you click that link. It'll show you how many different colorways you could possibly get, but this is the color I got. It's a very beautiful turquoise color, and it's got flecks of like blue through it. Very pretty. Absolutely love it. I don't think the camera is doing it justice, but it is very pretty, and it's very soft. The colorway is Undertow. Very creative name. It's speckled superwash merino. It's a fingering weight, and you get 417 yards in each skein. And like I said, you get 2 skeins. So that is what I got this month in my Knitcrate. But here is the exciting part, you guys. They are having a flash sale this month. And what does that mean for you? Well, let me tell you. If you click the link below, you're going to have to click the link below. That's the only way you're going to get the flash sale, you know, special. It'll take you to the page, and you can choose whichever crate you want. Now, if you've never signed up with Knitcrate before, you're really going to want to try it out this month, and I'm going to tell you why. Click that link, it'll take you to the page, and you choose whatever crate you want. They have 4 different crates. They have a Knitcrate membership, which is what I get, the 2 skeins of yarn, a knit pattern, and a crochet pattern. They have a sock crate, which is a sock pattern and a sock yarn. They have a sock artisan crate, and they have an artisan crate. So you choose whichever crate you want. It'll give you a little special pop-up, little special thing on the screen. It'll say you can get a second crate for just the shipping price, which is $5. You won't just get one crate if you sign up this month, you'll get two, and your second crate is only going to be $5. Now here's even a special bonus. At checkout, you can use my coupon code they were so nice to give me, which is NERVOUS20, and that will save you 20% on your first month. That sounds like a great deal. You can get one for yourself, you can get one for a friend or a family member. You guys can hang out together and knit or crochet or do whatever you guys want with this beautiful yarn. So yeah, that is a fantastic, I can talk, I promise you I can talk, a fantastic deal. So you'll get 2 crates for less than $30. You and your friend, you can sit, you and your mom, you and your grandma, you and a cousin, a best friend, a relative, anything can sit down together, do your thing. It's a nice way to do it. Or even if it's someone's gift, it'd be a nice way to gift someone. If it's a birthday, an anniversary, you guys could gift the second box away. Or just keep it for yourself. Nothing wrong with that. That link is in the description below. You have to use that link. That's the only way you're gonna get that special $5 deal for the second box. And here's another bonus, guys. If you just want to try it this month, that's not a problem. You can cancel anytime. You're not set to like be signed up for a certain amount of time. You can order this month and then cancel for next month. They do ship worldwide, which is an extra bonus because I know it's hard for some people who live out of the country to get things shipped to them at a reasonable price. The price is the same for everyone, no matter where you live. You will not pay extra in shipping. There you have it, guys. That is a great deal. 2 boxes for less than $30. Use my coupon code NERVOUS20. It's going to save you 20%. They ship worldwide. You can cancel anytime. And the yarn is always a premium soft yarn. It does come in a hank, so you're going to have to put it in a ball. Pretty easy. If you have a yarn winder or a yarn swift, that makes it easy, but you don't need that stuff. You can use the back of a chair and ball it up. No big deal. People have been doing it that way forever. But yeah, and love the booklet, love the idea. I hope Knitcrate keeps going with this opposed to the downloading. That way, you know, most people download it into their tablet or their phone, and then, you know, sometimes you're somewhere and you don't have your tablet with you, and you just, it's nice to have just a little paper booklet. You can keep track, you can mark on it. It's nice. So that is this month's Knitcrate, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Please check out the link below. You have to click that link if you want this month's special flash sale. But guys, I'm excited about this month. I really do. I love it. I hope you guys at least check it out, see what they have to offer. Think of your relatives. Think of a friend. You can get a little box for them. And that's going to be it, guys. That's for Knitcrate. Don't forget to check out the links below to the merch store. Remember, super cute shirt. See a little cute sheep? Cute little sheep. I see 2 hats and a scarf. Some people see a sheep. I don't know. Love this shirt. There's lots more shirts to choose from if you don't like this one. And yeah, follow me on Facebook. Join my private Facebook group. Tons of things to do. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and click that bell icon so you'll be notified. Alright guys, that's it for today. Until next time, I hope you all have a super wonderful, fabulous day and happy knitting, happy crocheting. Bye.